Hey guys, it's Jeanette. Just coming on briefly to show you how I made these display frames for earrings out of frames that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I've been trying to make this video all day, and it's been going wrong. Lips are dry. See? Burnt my finger. Got glue all over my dining table where I wasn't supposed to be working because the lighting over here sucks. Anywho, this frame is 2 frames from the Dollar Tree along with some burlap, and to close it, some ribbon. This is the smaller one. For the bigger one, I used 4 frames. And hopefully I will get it open with one hand, because before it knocked it up and I had to delete that one. And 2, 4 frames. Make sure the back is flat so they'll fit together. And I used the shelf liner, some ribbon down the center so it'll open and close easily. I used 2 paintings that I made that I didn't really like as the backing, because I took the glass and the backing out. And that's about it. So you need the frame, the shelf liner, the ribbon, and I used this thin ribbon because I picked up the wrong one. I was supposed to pick up the wide ribbon, but when I got home, it was this thin one. But anyway, this is it. I'm gonna cover the back though, because this part is showing. I'm gonna put some burlap on the back, and that's it. Simple and easy. You can load up your earrings and just pick it up, throw it under your arm, and go. Anywho, thumbs up the video, share, and subscribe if you'd like. Have a good day. Bye.